Okay, I'm going to replace my toilet seal. I'm going to start by turning off the water to the tank. Then I'm going to empty the tank by flushing it and scooping out the rest of the water. And then I'm going to plunge it as good as I can to get more of the water out. So remove the caps over the bolts holding the toilet to the floor. And you can see this one was corroded and snapped, and that's why my toilet was tilting. Now remove the nut from the bolt. Remove the water hose to the tank. Okay, on the flange, there's this wax. You got to remove all the wax. And you need to remove that rubber piece. It's called the toilet horn. And clean all of the wax off of the toilet flange. And remove the other bolts from the flange, the floor flange. Clean it up as best you can. Now wipe the flange at the bottom of the toilet. Okay, put the bolts into the floor flange according to the perfect seal instructions, and then slide the perfect seal over top and rest it on the floor flange. Now put the toilet on the flange. Make sure the bolts go into 2 holes on the sides of the base of the toilet. Okay, next, put on the washer and the nut. Then tighten those down on each side. Then you'll need to cut those down to about 1 inch in length so you can put the cap back on. Then connect the water hose to the tank. Turn on the water. Then you can flush it and check for leaks. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.